Hello, it's Keiko, Wisteria Surrey Ranch. I just wanted to show you a quick, easy tutorial on dyeing yarn in really fun colors really quickly and easily in your kitchen with minimal stuff. So whatever colors you want to dye it in, you got your yarn, and then you have a gallon bag, plastic bag to put it in, a Pyrex glass, a little Pyrex glass there too. And if you've got some gloves, great. If not, just get a plastic baggie to put your hand in so it doesn't turn all sorts of fun colors. And I will get started. Enjoy! Okay, so what I did was I put about 4 tablespoons of warm water with this blue Kool-aid, and this already has citric acid in it, so it'll help set the dye and the color. And this is the one without sugar. It's like, well, right when I got it, it was about 25 cents per pack in the USA. I don't know what it is right now, but yeah. And then I went ahead and put this also, another pink one. So I'm going to do both ends first. And again, about 4 tablespoons. So I'm going to put one end right here like that. Okay, let's see. And if you have gloves, it's actually better, but I don't know if I've got any, so I'm just gonna go like this. And that way, you know, you can do it with minimal stuff. So here's one end, and then I'm going to just go ahead and put the other end in here. There. And I'm doing this with one hand, so if you've got 2 hands working at once, it's gonna be a lot easier. Okay, so I'm gonna do that and just kind of have it soak up as much as you can. And let me get the other 2 colors ready. So let me just do that and I'll be right back. Okay, so I mixed this, I think this is called piña pineapple. And mix that with about 4 tablespoons of water since I want to get kind of a darker color. And so far this is what it looks like on both ends. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and get maybe this little bit next to the pink. So I'm going to just put that in. And of course, you know, if you want it perfect, I think there are different ways to do it, but I don't really mind if the colors sort of blend. So, and I also don't mind if there's a little bit of white. So if those things bother you, you'll want to look for a video that's made by somebody more precise. I usually don't measure everything either, so, but you know, it's kind of quick, fun, and easy, and it's fun. That's why I do it. Okay. All right. So let's see how it looks. Making a big old mess. That looks pretty good. Okay. So, oh, there it is. Okay. Okay. Ooh, I like the way it blends together here. It's really pretty. Okay. Oh, well, no, there's a little bit more. So when I see that, I really should get my plastic or gloves, but I'm just gonna soak it up a little bit more. Okay, and then after I do that, I'm gonna get my greens. I'll be right back. Okay, so this is the lemon lime, and I did 6 tablespoons for this one because last time it came out a little dark. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put this part in. So totally okay if the colors sort of blend. Oh, maybe I'll just use that. See if I can get that in there. It's always a little easier to do it with a bag. And when I do regular yarn with like other more like natural dyes and stuff that's not the Kool-aid, I do soak my yarn in citric acid, but that's one of the reasons why I love doing the Kool-aid, and the citric acid's already in there. So all you have to do is just kind of, you can just do it like I'm doing without pre-soaking or anything, and just kind of make sure that it absorbs enough water. Okay, so now I'm going to put this back in the gallon bag. and I'm going to go microwave it. So this is about 2 ounces, 50 grams. So I'm gonna go maybe on high for about a minute, and I need the water, if there's any little bit of water that comes out, to be clear. That's kind of my sign to know that it is the yarn's taken up the dye. So I will be right back. Okay, so I just got this out of the microwave and it actually looks pretty clear already. There's not a lot of liquid and it looks clear. So it's going to be super hot. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour some water in it and then squeeze it to make sure there's no dye that's leaking out. And once it is, then I'm going to go dry it. If it looks like there's like any color left, then you would put it in a little bit longer into your microwave. And then also when you're washing it, if it looks like the color's still leaking out, just put it back in the bag and microwave it, okay? Oh yeah, squeeze out the water and then just microwave it again. Alrighty. Okay, just for reference, so when you put the water in, you kind of want it to look like that. So you're not seeing like a blue water or anything like that, and the yarn looks pretty clear. Okay, so now it's probably cooled off enough that I can rinse it fully. Okay, now that it's washed, I'm going to be able to go put it out to dry. It's really vibrant and really kind of pretty. So you can see that. If you just wanted to do it like in one color, it's really fast and easy. So all you do is just put some warm water in the gallon bag and put maybe like, depending on the weight and amount, you can put like 1 or 2 bags of the Kool-Aid mix, and then you can just put the yarn in there, close it, and then just massage it, and then put it in the microwave, and same process. Okay, hope you enjoyed. Have a great day. Bye now.